Hey guys, it's me, your star Emma, and let's be checking out this slime right here. I know, it looks weird, but it's because it's been sitting in a bag for 2 weeks, okay? Well, not 2, but you know. Okay, so today guys, we'll be talking about my friends, and I have some things I want to show you. This came from my mom's work, but there's a cool thing that I want to do with this very slime. Okay, so we're just gonna kind of rub that in, rub a scrub dub. And if you don't mind, we can do a little school thing, okay? That I enjoyed doing last month, but didn't put it on the internet. So then it kind of just got like canceled. And I didn't like it because she's not about to show it, so yeah. And then also got my nails done, which I also show, but I somehow got it off the night before. And I want to let you know that it is right now indeed flu season. So I sound a bit sick. Over here. Ouch! We have a few things in my closet, I think. Ugh. What is this? Oh. Random piece of cardboard. Let's get out this very box. I'm going to show you the video. So I have this berry box right here. And just move camera down here. Be awesome. I don't know what's in this box. It's been a while since I've opened it. But we have quite a few things, actually. Even brand new kind of new things. We have a mask. Ooh. Collection card. Oh, troublemaker card. And we have a diaper. No, it's not for me, it's for Toy, but and looks like a usage in here. So let me get up right here. Do a thing that normal girls do. And just kind of get it out of the way. I'll show you once I'm done with it. It's not my best art, but it's gonna be in the camera and in the video. It's not like I'm gonna wait for it to dry, but it's gonna kind of look like a certain food that most of you like. I'm not saying everyone likes it. No, it's not steak, okay? I know in the comments people are like going about like, hey, I like steak. Why can't it be steak? It's pretty weird art. Ta-da! Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese art. And there's a few more things. Like I don't do very long videos, but I do have a fort. Now I want to show you. It's down here. I'm still working on it. Look at this. Not a masterpiece. And just want to let you know, I'm not one of those YouTubers like Jessie who does meet and greets, okay? So I'm going to stop this video right here. Hope you have a nice day. And I'll see you in a little bit. Bye!